What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit data in Microsoft Excel, whether you need to update information in your spreadsheet or correct an error you've spotted. Being able to edit data efficiently is crucial for maintaining the accuracy and relevance of your files. First, open the Excel worksheet that contains the data you want to edit. To overwrite existing content, simply click on a cell where you have some data entered and start typing. What you type will replace the current content. If you want to add more content without replacing the existing data, double-click inside the cell or press F2 to enter edit mode. Then position your cursor where you want to insert the new data. Mistakes happen, and that's where undo and redo come in handy. These commands are found in the quick access toolbar at the top of Excel. Click undo or press Ctrl and Z to revert your last action. If you undo something by mistake, use redo or press Ctrl and Y to reapply the last action. Now, let's use the Find and Replace feature to update data more efficiently. Go to the Home tab and in the Editing group, click on Find and Select. From the drop-down menu, select Replace. This opens a dialog box where you can specify the data you want to find and what you should replace it with. This tool is perfect for making bulk updates or corrections in your dataset. If you need to jump to a specific data point or area in your spreadsheet, use the Go To feature. Again, under the Home tab in the Editing group, click on Find and Select. Then choose Go To. You can type a specific cell reference like F3 and Excel will take you directly to that cell. By mastering these editing techniques, you can ensure your Excel spreadsheets are both accurate and up to date, saving you time and reducing errors in your data management. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.